Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are well. Dear students, we are discussed chapter 2 sensitivity towards other. Sensitivity towards means the ability to understand other people's feeling. This is known as sensitivity. And what we feel about the other. As we know, we live in a society. Society is an organized group of people where we depend on one another for different reasons. Most people are sensitive to the need of other, means they are depend on other, and the children develop caring attitudes other by watching their parents and the other people around them. A family play an important role in building strong bonds of love and care. We see great attachment between children and their grandparents. As I have discussed, the children love their grandparents. They always ready to help them by giving them specs, medicine, etc. And the elder always provide different things like fruit, toys, storybooks, whatever we want. Now we have discussed living in the quiet world. We have discussed what is sign language. Sign language is an organized system of gesture and mime used to place of speech. Now we will discuss how they learn this language. The diagram shows this diagram. The diagram shows the hand movements used in finger spelling or sign language. You can see all the fingers are showing different word. So dear student, if there is any deaf child, they learn to convey their message and how to communicate with the help of these finger movements. Each movement symbolized a letter or alphabet. Symbolize means indicate. Each like this is showing the alphabet A. This is showing the four fingers are showing B. So each letter symbolized the each movement. They are used together with gestures for specific word or idea which enable a hearing impaired person to converse with other with the help of this hand movement and the gestures. They convey their message to the other person. Gesture means a movement of a part of the body, a movement of part of the body, and they express their feeling with the help of this gesture and with the help of the hand movements. This is known as sign language. In earlier times, most people believed that hearing impaired people were incapable. Incapable means unable to understand, of learning a language or of being educated in any way. It was believed they are incapable, they can't understand any language and they are not being educated. It was believed in the earlier time कि वो लोग डफ पीपल है, ना तो वो पढ़ सकेंगे ना ही वो किसी बात को समझ पाएंगे. बट पेड्रो डे पॉन्स, a Spanish monk means son, become the first teacher to teach such children. Who was the first teacher who teach such children? The Spanish monk Pedro de Pon. He taught the deaf students, the hearing impaired students. In 1620, John Paulo Bonet, another Spanish, wrote the first book for educating them, and another Spanish writer in 1620, John Paulo Bonet, write a book so they can study and they can convey their message to another. The book contained means carry, hold, a manual alphabet. Manual means handwritten, done with the hand. A book contained a manual alphabet similar to the one used today. He wrote a book and it contained a manual alphabets, handwritten alphabets, so they can read it. So dear student, here we have discussed about the hearing impaired children, how they are taught with the help of sign language. There is a chart we have discussed. Each finger, each gesture has different meaning, and with this word they convey their message to other people. Do you know deaf people are also trained to make sounds and read the lips movement so that they can communicate with other. They are also trained. इस चीज़ की भी ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है कि वह कोई भी साउंड हो या लिप्स मूवमेंट को रीड करके उन सामने वाले की बात को समझ सके और अपना मैसेज उन्हें पहुंचा सके. So dear student, today we have discussed sign language and how the first monk Pedro de Pon teach the hearing impaired children, and in 1620 the Spanish writer John Paulo Bonet write a book for educated them, and it was contained a manual alphabet similar to the one used today. आज भी जो ये बुक जो है इनको पढ़ाने के लिए यूज़ की जाती है. Dear student, what will you do? You will read this paragraph and you will try to understand. This paragraph. Tomorrow we will discuss about the impaired children, means those who cannot see. That's all for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.